Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today I wanted to go quickly over Phemex. Phemex is definitely a new trading platform that has been around for just a little while. However, we do see massive amount of people already starting to use it, and I wanted to cover it before, before some of you started to ask more about it, and I didn't have a video on it. So this will be just a great way to reference Phemex. Do remember I do have a referral code for Phemex in the description of this video, so you can use my referral, and we'll both benefit from that. So we do have 30 plus integrated liquidity providers on this website. We have 1 million plus users already. The 24-hour trading volume is very, very close to that $1 billion. So a lot of people using this website to trade and exchange cryptocurrencies. If we go down a little bit more, we do have, they do have contests on Phemex, which is pretty cool. So if you're looking to get into contests on Bitcoin or crypto in general, you can jump into the Phemex Traders Arena and try to win some prizes. You can also do future contracts. Do remember, guys, I will never suggest to do contracts because you are going to be looking at much higher potential loss. So because of that, I won't ever suggest doing so. But you definitely can if you know what you're doing. Trade crypto with zero fees. You can also trade crypto futures contracts with up to 100 times leverage. Phemex provides both futures contract trading and spot trading services. We are first in the industry to offer a low-cost membership model that will allow you to spot trade Bitcoin with zero fees. Our perpetual contracts can be traded with up to 100 times leverage, which is actually pretty massive. We also offer a non-crypto gold USD trading pair contract with more traditional assets and commodities coming soon. So they are continuing to add, like they said here, traditional assets and commodities. There are a lot of them coming still. Still not out here yet, but there is a lot of potential behind Phemex. And you'd rather be here early than late. So I would suggest signing up, and you don't have to do anything with it. Just have the account ready to go in case a coin jumps on here that you want to invest in, or you decide you want to start trying contract trading. Do remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I will never give you guys financial advice. As we go over some of these stats, we see some massive stats here. So 30 plus integrated liquidity providers. The order response times are insanely fast. Executed orders per second also very large. We have the average trading volume per day being over that 1,100,000,000 dollars, which is just massive. I mean, obviously, a very massive amount of money that is being traded per each and every day. So why choose us? They go over why choose them, and I think this is obviously important as well. High performance, 300,000 transactions per second with order response times of less than 1 millisecond. That's just massive. Obviously, the advanced functionalities, fixed API for institutional traders and sub accounts for quantitative traders, as well as strongest wallet security and access to support and 24/7 live support. So there's just a lot of potential behind this website. I do want to say, guys, if you're looking to get into another exchange, obviously there's a ton out there. If you're looking to get into another exchange, this is not a bad one to look at. If we go to the markets, you can actually see there are 13 listed on spot trading, and then there's 16 listed on contract trading. Obviously XRP being suspended at the moment, but there is there's some, I guess there's some interesting ones that haven't really been put out, like Coinbase and, some of these regular exchanges that don't have very many. This one actually does have all the solid choices. So I think this is a very good beginner or starter market, as well as, it can definitely be an experienced one as well, because you do have spot and contract trading. So you can make a lot of money, or obviously you can lose a lot of money as well. So make sure you know what you're doing. But if we go into the marketplace, you can see what it really looks like. I kind of like the idea, or I kind of like the view, I guess, itself, because it looks very, very close to KuCoin. I love KuCoin's setup, and this looks very, very similar. We do have this normal looking chart here. On the right, we have recent trades, as well as on the left, we have the order book. And on the very, very left, you can barely see it probably, but it does have the place order where you can select, BTC, ETH, or Link. And then you can obviously buy and sell using limit, market, or conditional. So very good options around. I do think the idea behind this as well is very good. We see at the very bottom, we see active orders, conditional orders, fills, order history, and balance. So there's just a lot of good resources here on this market alone. And if you go to the left, you click select market, you can actually see all the markets here now pop up, obviously including things like BTC, ETH, Link, Tron, Dodge, EOS, ADA, ONT, LTC, XTZ, Bitcoin Cash, Neo. There's just a bunch of options, and because of how I guess fast and how how well the UI looks, I personally like this exchange a lot. I haven't started using it quite yet. I'm not going to lie to you and say I've been using it for a while. I've not started using this one quite yet. However, I do plan on putting money into it very, very soon. I just think there's a lot of potential behind this one, so we will continue to look farther into Phemex, and I might do our trading series. I might try to Phemex a little bit as well. So it's definitely one to take a look at if you guys haven't already. Go to Phemex.com, or Phemex.com actually is going to be linked in the description. So definitely take a look in the description. Click the referral link, and you'll get a bonus as well as me. So they do talk about how it's the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform. So that's a very cool idea. That is actually the fastest crypto exchange is what they're telling us. Obviously that's massive. Everyone's looking to be the fastest, definitely when it comes to getting the prices exactly where you see them. You don't want to buy a price at $103 and then you see that it dropped down to maybe $98. That's just not what you want to see. So this just shows that it's the fastest, and it really does get you the prices that you see currently on the platform. So we do go to products. You can see more about spot trading, contract trading, and simulated trading, as well as you can get a premium membership. Definitely not needed, but it does have fast trades and zero fees. They have a welcome bonus of up to $80. They have the All-Star program, which is what I'm going to be doing. So if you guys want to click my referral link, it does help me, like I said. And then obviously that's what the referral is as well. So there's a lot of potential behind this website. I definitely, like I said, would just hop in. It doesn't pay me anything for you guys to use my referral link and just sign up. But once you deposit, that's when I would get my cut and your cut. So like I said, guys, just take a look at Phemex. I just wanted you guys to be aware of a new trading platform that does look fairly good. I haven't seen anything wrong with it. I've looked a bunch of research into Phemex really to see the value behind it, and it does look like it's a very good place to do your spot trading and contract trading. Even if you want to do some leverage trading, that's obviously available here. So definitely take a look at the Phemex website. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Thanks for tuning in, guys.